Okay, so what I'm going to talk about today is MLA formatting, and this will be your initial step towards our research paper at the end of the semester. So with the research paper, we will actually be doing citations, in-text citations, and a works cited. But for now, I'm just going to talk about some of the resources available to you relative to MLA formatting. Um, and I'll show you how you can easily MLA format a paper and can do it forever after. And I'll also talk a little bit about things like APA style formatting, some of this other stuff. So if you look at the screen right here, and you can use any search engine to find this, what I'm going to look at is Purdue Online Writing Lab, also known as Purdue OWL. Um, so it's a pretty comprehensive place to look if you have any questions about research citation, formatting, etc. So we'll just take a look at it. And there's the owl. Woohoo! So anyway, it's online writing lab, and there's all sorts of things here: general writing, research citations, all this kind of good stuff. For the sake of our current argument, we're going to look at the MLA guide right here. So I click on that, and there's everything that you can ever think about MLA formatting, style guide, how to use works cited lists, how do you cite things. There are sample papers, for example, and there's one, and it shows you all the little things that you need to do. You have to have your name, your course number if you MLA formatting. Here's your page number up top, what the margin should be, all this good stuff. So I encourage you strongly to go look at MLA OWL. It is a very good resource. It's a resource to use in the future if you are going to be doing like APA papers or whatever else. You can also search for those. So that's kind of just an introduction to Purdue OWL. So if I go to Microsoft Word, switching gears a little bit, and I want to MLA format a paper because the teacher wants me to do so, and I'm not exactly sure how to do it. I kind of have some idea. The margin should be this, spacing should be that, all this kind of good stuff. But there's a very easy way to do it. And if you're looking at what I'm looking at on the screen right now, if I go over here to File and I click on File in Microsoft Word, it brings me something called Backstage View. And that's nice, you say, but how does that help me? Well, if I go to New, I can search for online templates. I click in here and I put MLA formatting. Maybe I do. All right, so I did it and I hit enter, and voila, here is an MLA style paper. So I click on it and hit create, and there is an MLA style paper. It's formatted correctly. All you need to do is click up here and put your last name, in my case, long, and then if I double click down here, I can put my name in here and whatever my instructor name, the course number, the date. This gives me the title. And the margins are all okay. It's a ½ inch from here to here. This is all spaced properly. Everything's double spaced, etc. So if you just do that, and of course, if you use this template, you can save this template, and of course, you just have to get rid of all this stuff and get rid of all this stuff, and then start writing it now, and get rid of this stuff as well, and get rid of that backspace, and then you can just start your paper. So that'll be formatted once you, and I encourage you to, once you do a paper, save it. It'll be formatted forever. So in a nutshell, that's the first instruction on MLA formatting. And as I said, if you look at Purdue OWL, and also if you look at the book, towards the end of your book, it has a section on MLA formatting as well.